Welcome to Eagle Market View. Your eyes on the stock market.
Nifty today it's a gap up open market. After that fresh 5-minute candle upside breakout. So that is a trap, a bull trap. After that what happens? Retest the breakout level. Again price come to the downside. So this is the final support, ascending support line. So here once the price is break down the support level, so again price come back to the next support level is 24,180. Even 24,180 also price is breakdown. So end of the day we seen the little bit retrace also that support level, breakdown level. So coming to the tomorrow Nifty monthly expiry day, even yesterday YouTube video clearly mentioned that market will be trending market, possibility is there. Same thing today is market is trending market. So almost 24,300 to nearly 24,150, nearly 150 points momentum. So tomorrow Nifty, obviously how to trade Nifty. So here very important point is resistance level. So this is the breakdown level. Once the price breakdown, here this level is the important retest level. So tomorrow Nifty, so any breakdown the today low 24,150 level is the important support level. If in case Nifty tomorrow any breakdown this level with volume bearish candle, there is a aggressive selling possibility is there up to 24,050 level tak. If in case Nifty this candle 24,200 is important resistance level. So 24,200 level, any 5-minute candle or 15-minute candle, at least you can take. Tomorrow is monthly expiry. So please take 15-minute candle. So any 15-minute candle is breakout 24,200 with volume, then you can go for the long side. Target 24,250 is the first target. Next target is 24,300. Here very important supports is, you can observe as per the support level Nifty 24,050. Already I told this is the very strong support level. If in case any 50-minute candle or 5-minute candle is breakdown, so there is a high probability price will go further downside momentum. So currently because of the last CAS system closing candle is last, some bit of the upside momentum also is there. So if in case tomorrow any gap up open around 24,250 level near any open, so the trend observed here, the trend is negative trend is there. So obviously fresh we seen the V-shaped recovery. Here we need a little bit of the correction. So that's why, so if in case again Nifty will be gap up open means wait for the price to come to the support level, then only we can take the entry. Because risk and reward is, today what happens, monthly expiry day, market open at a resistance level. So what happens, risk and reward is favorable to the PE buyers in this level. So market selling side, again price come to the support level, again this support also breakdown means confirm that market will go further downside. Okay, so this is the final support level today. Here we need to be reverse momentum. So Nifty 5-minute candle you can observe here today. So early morning around 9:35 only we expect, as per the chart explanation we mentioned that there is a gap up open, there is a rejection also seen at higher level 24,300 level. So in between this zone don't trade, wait for the price action. We mentioned that because 24,350 is resistance is there, here gap area is the support level is there. So price trading in this range bond. So that's why every day we focus on the especially learning point of view, education point of view, this those who are especially beginners point of view. So stock market is not easy, it's a very difficult, especially if you are experienced along with the chart patterns how the price will bull trap. So usually what happens, today morning price open above the resistance levels, which is very positive sign. After that here we need to expecting a V-shaped recovery, but what happens, price is strong selling. Here it is a very classic bull trap pattern. Once the gap up open, there is a false upside breakout and also retest. So that's why we need to be wait for the price action whenever this type of the false breakdown. And also today Lalita jewelry also listed around 31% listing gain. So that's why even Lalita jewelry also in YouTube channel also we mentioned that there is a gray market premium also showing almost 20 to 30%. So today listed around very good premium actually. So coming to the even gap up also, failure bearish reversal pattern perfectly formed at 10:30. We mentioned that confirming a strong intraday selling pressure. So after that 1025, so market is strong selling pressure, ascending support also breakdown, then the price action is strong selling side. So that you are observe here 24,150 up to 130 market trend is up to strong selling. End of the day also Nifty little bit of the buying pressure is there, but still market is just a bearish retest. So overall the remains the trend is negative side is there. So lot of learning point you will get. So especially those who are watching first time, please subscribe. So Bank Nifty earlier gap is filled today. So Bank Nifty also price open at the resistance level around 57,800 level. So previous 2 days high above price open, after that strong selling. Once the prices break down the previous day consolidation zone, then strong selling seen. So again even Bank Nifty also prices retest the breakdown level. So tomorrow, today low is the support 1. Second support is 57,100 level is the second support level. So tomorrow Bank Nifty any opening in this level around 57. This is the level is the breakdown level. So we can consider as a R2. This is the R1. So if in case Bank Nifty any breakout above the 57,500 level bullish candle, then we can expecting fresh target is 57,600. Even 57,600 also breakout. Next we can expecting 57,800 level. Okay. Similarly, today low is the important support level here. If in case tomorrow monthly expiry any big breakdown today low, then we can expecting strong selling possibility is there up to 57,100. Here 20-day EMA also support is there. 57,100. Okay. So coming to the tomorrow, even Nifty Midcap also monthly expiry tomorrow. Nifty Midcap also even yesterday analysis video as per our prediction. So we expected this 14,800 is support level. Yesterday price is consolidation Friday. After that last candle is breakout. Today also again price is consolidation. Last candle is breakout. So near support level. So tomorrow obviously this forming a little bit of the bullish pattern also is there. So obviously wait for the price to come to the support level. So Nifty Midcap is buy and dip approach is there. So tomorrow any dip in this level gap down open and all. So this is the stop loss we need to consider 14,800. Any upside breakout then only we can go for the long side. Similarly resistance 14,950 is the resistance level is there. Any gap up open, wait for the price action. Any bearish pattern comes, we can plan for the selling side. Price will come to the further downside momentum. Okay. Any gap up open, either Nifty or Bank Nifty, market will be selling side possibility. Very high chance is there because of the monthly expiry. Today, again, volatility index is up by nearly 3%, which is very positive sign for the option buyers point of view. So market will be again momentum possibility is there tomorrow also. So let's go into the some of the stocks are trending is there. You can watch the Finolux cables also. This Finolux cable stock is trading pole and flag pattern. If in case price any breakout in this level around 1400 and all, again price will go further upside. You can watch Finolux cables also. TCS trend is negative trend is there. Every rise is selling opportunity. Price any breakdown 2260 and all. Again price will go further downside. You can watch TCS also. Dixon Technology also stock is near the resistance level. Price is after breakout. Price is reverse pattern form. So tomorrow any breakdown this level you can plan for the further downside momentum. Similarly MCX stock is very positive stock is there from last more than 10 to 15 trading session. Stock is up by nearly 15 to 20% momentum seen. So currently trend is still positive is there. So any breakout above the 3280 and all bullish candle we can plan for the further upside momentum. Hindalco also observe. Hindalco also stock forming a round bottom pattern. Any breakout above the 1055 bullish candle we can plan for the buying side. Price will go further upside momentum. Similarly BEL also observe. BEL also stock is this is the resistance level near. Price is selling pattern form. Any breakdown today low around 406 and all you can plan for the selling side. Price will go further downside. Jubilant Food very strong bullish pattern from last 20 trading session, stock is up by nearly 20%. So currently trend is positive, trend is there, ascending triangle pattern also form, any bullish kind of form breakout, fight and all, we can plan for the buying side. Everyone, please share your view in the comment section whether market will go upside or downside tomorrow. Please share in the comment section. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.